Hey Kickstarter, we're Vessi, and we love the rain. Stomp through puddles, trek through snow, and power through the mud. Vessi's will make you feel like a kid again. Last year we came to you with an idea, to create a shoe that you could wear all year round. A shoe with zero compromise on style, fit, and functionality. With your incredible support and over 50,000 dry toes later, you helped jumpstart an entirely new category of shoes. One shoe, 4 seasons. We listened to your feedback, refined the shoe, and now we're back. Introducing 2 new additions to the Vessi family, the Everyday and the Skyline. It's your favorite pair of sneakers crossed with the most technical outdoor boot. Designed for the city, the outdoors, and anywhere in between. Vessi's are ultra lightweight. They're flexible, so you can take them everywhere. Dirty? Just rinse them off. Vessi's are 100% waterproof.
There's no water going in. Yeah, that's brilliant.
I feel like my brain's saying it's going to get wet. It's not wet.
It is dry. No water.
Yeah, pour more on it.
Whether you're up in the mountains, traveling the tropics, or just dancing in the rain, Vessi's will keep you protected. And it's not a coating. Our waterproofing membrane is permanently integrated into the knit. Our patented material has nano-sized pores that are too small for water drops, but large enough for sweat and heat to pass through. This keeps the water out while allowing your feet to breathe. New to these styles is our Diamond-Tex lining, developed to increase the breathability and overall stretch of the shoes. Diamond-Tex has micro air pockets that help naturally regulate the temperature of your foot, cooling your feet in the summer heat and warming your feet during the winter cold. Slip them on, and the dynamic stretch of the upper hugs your foot like a cozy pair of slippers. Wear them with or without socks. With antimicrobial insoles, your feet are sure to stay fresh. The herringbone tread pattern creates 4-way anti-slip traction for any weather. We've increased the density of our V0 midsoles, giving you increased energy return with each stride. Designed from the ground up, we've had the opportunity to rethink the method that shoes are created. With the textile industry already creating 20% of the world's water pollution, we wanted to create Vessi's with a more sustainable approach. The process we developed cut traditional knit machine times from 45 minutes to just 7 minutes. This reduced each pair's carbon footprint and energy consumed by over 600%. In addition, it enabled us to create a completely seamless unibody design, reducing the material trim waste by 97%, saving 880 gallons of water per pair. It's time for the footwear industry to evolve. With your help, we can revolutionize what a shoe should be. One shoe, 4 seasons. Comfort without compromise. Step into Vessi's and let's make rain fun again.